Have you ever pondered about how to use ChatGPT to generate R code for data visualization? Well, let's unravel this mystery together. ChatGPT, a product of OpenAI, is an advanced language model that uses machine learning to generate human-like text. It's like having a virtual assistant at your fingertips, capable of assisting in a multitude of tasks, from drafting emails to writing Python code, and yes, even generating R code. Speaking of R, it's a powerful programming language and environment widely used for statistical computing and graphics. It's a favorite among data scientists and statisticians for its robust data visualization capabilities. Now imagine combining the power of ChatGPT's language generation with the visualization prowess of R. The result? A streamlined process of generating insightful data visualizations with ease and efficiency. Now that we understand what ChatGPT and R are, it's time to delve into how we can use them together for data visualization. Before we begin, ensure that you have both ChatGPT and R installed and set up on your system. Now let's walk through the process of setting up these tools. First, let's tackle ChatGPT. You can find it as an API offered by OpenAI. To use it, you'll need to sign up on OpenAI's website and get your API key. Once you have that, you can make requests to the API using your preferred programming language. For this tutorial, we are going to focus on Python, but feel free to explore other languages that you're comfortable with. Now, onto R. You can download R from the Comprehensive R Archive Network, also known as CRAN. Choose the version that suits your operating system, whether it's Windows, Mac, or Linux. After downloading, go through the installation process and voila, you have R on your system. Next, you'll need an integrated development environment or IDE for R. A popular choice is RStudio, which offers a user-friendly interface for coding in R. You can download RStudio from their official website. Once installed, you can start writing and running R code. Remember, while ChatGPT can generate R code, it's crucial to have a good understanding of R syntax and programming logic. This way, you can effectively use and modify the generated code to suit your specific needs. It's like having a magic spell book. If you don't understand the language, you can't tweak the spells. So, take your time to familiarize yourself with R's basics. There are numerous resources online, from video tutorials to blog posts and online courses, that can help you grasp the ins and outs of this powerful programming language. And don't worry if you're a beginner. Everyone starts somewhere, and the data science community is known for its supportive nature. There are forums where you can ask questions and learn from others' experiences. Plus, practice makes perfect, so don't shy away from trying out different codes and projects. With both ChatGPT and R ready, we can proceed to the exciting part, generating R code. In this part, we will discover how to generate R code using ChatGPT. Let's dive straight into the heart of the matter. Imagine ChatGPT as an advanced coding assistant, ready to help you generate R code in a jiffy. Here's how it works. To begin, you need to provide ChatGPT with the necessary data. This data can be any relevant information that you want to visualize using R. It could be a dataset on global temperatures, the stock market, or even something as mundane as your daily coffee consumption. Just ensure that your data is well structured and free of any inconsistencies. Once your data is ready, it's time to instruct ChatGPT. You do this by simply typing out a clear, concise command. For instance, if you want to create a scatter plot of your coffee consumption against the time of day, you might type something like, "Generate R code for a scatter plot of coffee consumption by time of day." Remember, clarity and specificity are key to getting the results you desire. Now let's talk about what kind of output to expect. Once you've given ChatGPT your instruction, it will return a chunk of R code corresponding to your command. This code, when executed in R, will produce the visualization you asked for. It's like magic, but it's not. It's the power of artificial intelligence and machine learning at work. You might be wondering, how accurate is this code, or will it always work? Well, while ChatGPT is incredibly advanced, it's not infallible. There might be times when the code needs a bit of tweaking, but don't worry, with a basic understanding of R, you can easily modify the code to fit your needs. What's more, using ChatGPT to generate R code is a great way to learn and enhance your own coding skills. You not only get the code you need, but also a chance to understand and study the structure and logic behind it. Now that we've generated our R code, it's time to put it to use. The beauty of this process is that it's not just about getting results, it's about learning, growing, and exploring the vast possibilities of data visualization. So let's move on and see this code in action. Once you have the R code, the next step is to visualize the data. Now let's delve into the exciting part, bringing your data to life. With your freshly minted R code, you can create vivid and insightful visuals, transforming rows of numbers into comprehensible and engaging narratives. Having a clear understanding of the generated R code is paramount. It's like knowing the secret recipe for a mouth-watering dish. It not only helps you cook it right, but also lets you add your own twist to it. Similarly, understanding the R code allows you to modify it to better suit your data and the story you're trying to tell. So, how do you go about it? Well, the first step is to run the R code in your preferred R environment. This could be RStudio, Jupyter Notebooks, or any other platform that supports R. Once the code is executed, you should be able to see your data in a whole new light, represented visually in a way that makes sense to you and your audience. But what if you want to change something? Maybe the color scheme doesn't tickle your fancy, or perhaps you want to add a title or labels. The beauty of R lies in its flexibility. With a few tweaks to the code, you can change almost anything about your visualization, making it uniquely yours. With that, you can now use ChatGPT to generate R code for data visualization. In this video, we've explored a fascinating application of ChatGPT. We've delved into the essence of ChatGPT and R, walked through their setup, and discovered how to generate R code using ChatGPT. We then used this code to visualize data, simplifying this complex process. This tech combo makes data visualization a breeze, bridging the gap between data science and artificial intelligence. With these steps, data visualization with R becomes more accessible thanks to ChatGPT. Until next time, continue exploring, learning, and creating.